Guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can pin posts on X, and to do that you are going to go to your profile page, and I'm just going to scroll down, and for instance I want to pin this tweet. I know this tweet is a little bit gross, cringe, I know, but to pin it you're just going to select the three dots here and you're going to select pin to your profile. You can even highlight it on your profile as well. Here I'll show you. Highlight on your profile. You can do that, but you do have to subscribe to the X. I did not know that, but you can either pin or highlight it. I'm just going to pin it. But that is how you can pin a post on your X profile. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!